there everybody, and welcome to an updated video on how to make frozen burrito enchiladas. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to make a healthier version. The ingredients this time is Amy's Organic Beans and Rice Burritos, an organic brand of red enchilada sauce like the Hatch brand, and an organic cheese. Now, a healthier cheese option would be like cashew or almond cheese, but at the time of making this video, those kinds of cheeses was not available, so the next best thing is just organic regular cheese. First thing to do would be to spread a little bit of enchilada sauce into the pan so the flavor of the sauce can get under the burritos. Put the burritos into the pan, but make sure the folded part is down. When the bottom softens from the cooking, the enchilada sauce seeps more into the burritos this way. Pour some more enchilada sauce on top of the burritos, then spread your cheese all over the top of them, then pour a little more of the sauce on the top of the cheese to give the cheese the flavor of the sauce as well. Now for a quantity of 4 burritos, set your oven to 350 degrees and keep it in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now, when you take the enchiladas out of the oven, stick a knife into one of the burritos for at least 10 to 15 seconds and feel the tip of the knife. If the knife feels cold, then put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 more minutes. If it feels hot, then it should look like this. And now you are ready to eat some delicious, homemade, healthy frozen burrito enchiladas.